Right, so sometimes we run into an issue where we need a longer connector to make a connection in our application. For applications or strip-to-strip connections that are more than 6 inches, we don't really have a connector for that in our listing, but one way to get past that would be to use a 6-inch any-angle connector and create pigtails on these by cutting this in the middle and splicing in a thicker wire in between. So for example, if we cut this off and splice it, it would look like this. So you have now a pigtail connector that you can use and splice in a longer wire in between. So you just have to connect these to the same color wire, red to red, black to black. You can either use wire nuts for these, or you can even solder them directly to make the connection more secure. But that is one way to solve a length issue where you need a longer connector. There you go.